Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Western Union account online. Now this process is quite simple. All you have to do is to go to Western Union website on your browser. Then what you should do is to simply go to sign up on the top right corner. Just click on it. Then it will show you this page right here. Now you have to enter your email address and your password. Then click on register right here. It will ask you to enter this code. Just enter the code, then click on register. Then it will ask you to enter your mobile phone. You should choose your country from this option right here. And here you have all the country codes. And you can also do the verification using your email address. And after you enter your phone number or email address, you should click on request code. Then they will send you a PIN or an OTP in order to verify that this is yours. Then after that, you should enter the codes right here. Then click on submit. And after that, here as you can see, you will have your account just right here. Now you can actually send money, track any transfers, and even pick up money. So here as you can see, when I click on send money, it will show me here which country will I choose in order to send money, how much amount of money will I send, and all the details of the receiver. Plus, how would I like to pay, and how does the receiver want money. You can also go up here on your profile picture, just click on it. In order to add some extra information, you will have to enter your street address, house number, city, postcode, country of birth, date of birth, and so on. You will have also to add these information, the phone number, payment preferences. You should add your card right here as displayed in front of you now. You can also go back and choose the security question in order to pick yourself a security question, and you can also change the password whenever you want. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.